Well, hello again. Here we are in the Yeo Valley Organic Garden and it's spring 2021. Well, who would have thought it? We were supposed to be at Chelsea last year, then we thought we'd be doing Chelsea in May this year, and now here I am talking to you knowing that we're going to do it in September. So here we are in the birch grove. These are all Betula jackmontii, the paperbark maple. And I'm showing you these because I haven't got a huge amount of flowers to show you at this time of year, but birches are going to be a big feature of the Chelsea garden. And so when Tom came down here for the first time, this is one of the areas he liked the most. So you'll be able to see these lovely birches at Chelsea. One of the huge benefits we have is that obviously we're a real garden in a real place in Somerset. So, for example, these rocks that I'm sitting on here, these rocks are Mendip stone, and we are taking our own Mendip stone up to Chelsea as part of the garden. And once we're finished, once the show's over, those rocks will return here and take their place back in the landscape, which is lovely. Hi Tom, how are you, hon?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Absolutely brilliant. It's blazing sunshine down here. I can't believe it. What other things should I be thinking about getting now?
Well, I think that's the thing, isn't it? You know, bulbs. The good thing about September is we've got so much more scope and range for what we can grow and what we can use.
We've got a few things left over, grasses wise and ferns wise from last year, and they're looking all right. I think we're going to be all right.
In terms of what's actually changed, it's kind of very similar, but it's become a bit more woodlandy because we've grown lots of trees, slightly reduced size, 10 by 15. We've still got the egg. As we're calling it.
Yeah, fantastic. Personally, I'm really excited, and of course it probably will never happen again that they'll change it, so it'll be a once in a lifetime opportunity to see a completely different horticultural palette, which is going to be great.